This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gravy Kadai Paneer. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including 200 grams of paneer, 1 large bell pepper, and 2 medium onions. Next, we'll prepare a flavorful tomato onion gravy, which forms the heart of this dish. Then, we'll create our signature Kadai masala by dry roasting whole spices. Finally, we'll combine all these elements for a truly delicious meal. The secret to an authentic Kadai paneer lies in its freshly ground masala. Begin by dry roasting 1 tablespoon of whole coriander seeds in a pan over medium heat until they become fragrant, which takes about 1 minute. Then, add 2 dried red chilies and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, continuing to roast for another 30 seconds. Once cooled, grind these spices into a coarse powder using a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. This aromatic blend will elevate your dish. Now, let's build our rich and flavorful gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 2 finely chopped onions until they turn golden brown and soft, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, add 3 pureed tomatoes and cook this mixture until the oil begins to separate from the sides, indicating it's well cooked. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a pinch of turmeric powder. Then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. For the final steps, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté 1 cup of diced bell peppers and 1 cup of onion petals until they are slightly tender crisp, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 200 grams of paneer cubes and cook lightly for 2 minutes. Now, gently fold these sautéed vegetables and paneer into your rich tomato onion gravy. Stir in your freshly prepared Kadai masala. Garnish with fresh cilantro, and serve this delightful Kadai paneer hot with your favorite naan or rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.